guys, it's finally November, which means I get to open my November knit crate. I'm so excited, you guys, because if you guys know, last month was my first ever time getting knit crate, and they had tried something new and the weight was off or something, so it came in a bag. But this month they're back to their adorable, look at this adorable box. It's a little dirty from shipping, but it's this beautiful like Tiffany blue box. I love it. I love a subscription that comes in a box. Just makes it seem fancier, right guys? So let me talk about a little bit about KnitCrate. This one that I am opening is the KnitCrate membership package, and it is $24.99 a month, and you get 2 skeins of yarn. They could be varying in weights. I know some months they've done fingering. Last month was a DK. This month is a worsted weight. And usually there are 4 different colors that could come, so it's really, really a surprise, because this month there are 4 beautiful jewel tone colors. There's like this brown, a gorgeous purple that I am like super, super hoping is in this box, and 2 like a blue and a bluey green, which I would like either of those 2. But anyways, so it's really, Hazel, I'm filming. Hazel? Hazel! I don't know if you guys can hear my cat talking. Come here, Hazel. Want to be in the video? Come here, Hazy. Come here, Hazel. Hold on, guys. Let's see if we can get the cat. Oh, get up here, Hazel. Be in the video while we talk. Oh, she left already. She doesn't want to do KnitCrate at all, but do not hold that against KnitCrate. I love them. The DK I got last month, I'm still trying to figure out what to make with it, but I love it. So there are multiple different membership boxes that they have. Like I said, this is the membership one for $24.99. They have a sock one that's $19.99. They have an artisan one that's a little bit more money, an artisan sock. And they also have a quarterly one that does Malabrigo yarn, which you guys know I love Malabrigo. And you get a new skein of Malabrigo every 3 months. And it's gorgeous anyways. So there's lots of different plans. So lots of different choices for you guys. And if you use my link down below and use the coupon pineapple20, you get 20% off your first package, which is amazing, because this is definitely worth the $24.99 as is. And you know, 20% off, who doesn't want a discount? So I'm so excited to open this. Now, like I said, there are 4 different colors. I did put a preview on my Instagram a couple weeks ago, or a week or so ago. They're gorgeous. Sorry, I've got a cat hair on my nose now, which is just gonna drive me nuts. Fuzzy cats, right guys? Hashtag fuzzy cat problems. Anyways, I am super, super, fingers crossed, super, super hoping for the purple yarn. It's like right up my alley. But any of the blues would be okay. And brown would probably be my last choice. But who knows? It might be pretty. I might like it anyway. So, all I did was cut the tape, which is like extreme restraint, you guys. I was like, must open. So here we go. We're going to open it. I'm going to hold it up for you guys first. I'm not even going to look. Not even going to look. Going to lift the paper. Going to lift the paper. I'm going to hold it up. I got the brown. That is so funny, because I don't like browns, you guys. Not that there's something wrong with this yarn. It's actually a glitter, which is, I don't know if that's holding up on camera. Let me get it up there. Hopefully it'll focus. Give it a second. There we go. It's very tonal. It has beautiful sparkles in it. It's a very, very nice yarn. Very, very pretty. And you get the little KnitCrate inspiration book. Wow. This purple on the front, that's the purple I wanted. It's so pretty. But it's okay, because I'll probably just go online and buy it now, because I did really, really want it. But aside from the fact I am not a brown person and don't usually work with brown very much, this is very pretty. It's very tonal. It's got a lot of glitter in it. It is Yuri yarn by KnitCrate. Let's see if I can get that over my face. There we go, Yuri yarn. It is a 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, and 10% stellina. It's worsted weight, and you get 219 yards. If you like brown, this is a stunning brown. So please do not take my opinion or the fact that I do not like brown and think that this yarn is not good. It is. It's very pretty and super soft. It's very, very, very pretty. It was just so funny, because I literally just said the one I want least is the brown. And of course I get the brown. But it's funny. It is very pretty, and I'm just not a brown person. I find that there's like There's two different like neutrals. There's brown neutrals and there's gray neutrals. I'm a gray, so. But it's okay. It's very, very pretty, you guys. Look at the, and put that back up there. Look at the different like shades. You've got this light over here and some more chocolatey colors. And I don't know if the stellina is picking up. I think it's picking up a little. It's really pretty and really shiny. And maybe this is just like God's way of saying, Holly, you should work with brown. They sent me brown. Maybe I will find something to do with this. Or maybe I will save it for one of my giveaways. I don't know. Either way, it is lovely. I am still super excited to get KnitCrate. I can't wait to see what next month is too. And you guys should definitely go check them out. If you're a brown person, this is right up your alley. And like I said, there are other gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Here's the purple and the blue. Is that showing up? There we go, kind of. The purple and blue that was in it. Very pretty. And I don't know if this book is so nice. Wow. Okay, here's the 4 colors. There they are. There's the 4 colors you could get this month. So you should definitely go check it out. I'm going to look for this one. But either way, they're very, very beautiful, you guys. And I forgot what this color name was. It's called Gilded. So I guess they're going for more of like a goldish brown. I would say this definitely does have, it's got silver stellina in it, but it definitely has a goldy brown kind of feel to it. Especially these lighter shades in this area. Doesn't that kind of come off kind of coppery gold? It's really pretty. Guys, do I need to make something with brown? Do I look good with brown? What do you think, honey?
It's pretty.
My husband says it's a pretty brown. It is very pretty, and I love it very, very much. I love it, you guys. So you guys should definitely go check out KnitCrate because it's so much fun to open the box and get surprised every month. Because like I said, earlier in the month, they released a photo, doodly-doo, of these 4 colors, but I still didn't know which one I was going to get. And I did get surprised because I got the brown. But the photo of the brown does not do it justice. It is very, very lovely, you guys. So go check out KnitCrate. Like I said, down below there is a link. And if you use Pineapple 20, all uppercases, all stuck together, no spaces, you'll get 20% off. If you do get KnitCrate, please comment down below and let me know what color you got and which one you were hoping for. Because we all hope, but it doesn't matter if we get it or not. We still got pretty yarn, right? It's so pretty. It's really soft, you guys. It really is. And it's sparkly. So if I was going to use a brown, it would definitely be a sparkly brown. So, I'm so excited. So like I said, use my Pineapple 20 code. Go check them out, you guys. And I want to hear about your KnitCrate experiences. Do you guys love them as much as I do? Because so far, I'm absolutely in love with KnitCrate. And cannot wait to keep getting one. I'm so excited. But I got to get out of here now, guys. So, bye.